Hello everyone. Today we are going to do direct and indirect speech, or this is also known as reported speech. I know some of you may find this topic a little confusing or difficult, but if you follow my tips and tricks, I'm sure you will find it very easy. Right? So let's start. First, we need to understand what is direct and indirect speech. Actually, these are the two ways of reporting something or something which is said by someone, right? Or someone said. Direct speech uses the speaker's exact words, while indirect speech uses your own words. We use our own words to report what has been said by someone. And we usually modify pronouns, time expression, verb, tenses to reflect the context. Yeah? Now, if you see an example here, Rahul said to me, I'm going to my class. So this is a direct speech. Now, why this is a direct speech? Because this speech is written in quotes. These are the words which are exactly spoken by Rahul. Rahul said that he was going to class or I'm going to my class. These are the exact words which are spoken by Rahul. So this is a direct speech. But if you want to change it into indirect speech or reported speech, then it will change to Rahul told me that he was going to his class. Now you may find here there are some changes in the reporter speech. So before coming to these changes, we need to understand the parts of my direct speech. If we know these parts of my direct speech, then half of the work is done, right? So let us understand what are the parts of this direct speech. Now Rahul is speaking to me, Rahul is talking to me, and Rahul is saying something. So Rahul is the speaker, right? Or Rahul, we can say Rahul is the reporter. Clear? Then said. Said is a reporting verb. This verb very plays a very important role, right? You will see later how this is an important part of this sentence. And me is an object because Rahul is speaking to me. Clear? And I am going to my class. These are the exact words which are spoken by Rahul. So this will be your reporting speech. This will be your reporting speech. Clear? These are the parts of the sentence which we need to identify before changing into reported speech or indirect speech. Right? We have 5 basic steps. The very first step is identify the reporter. We have already done. Who's the reporter here? Rahul. Identifying the reporting verb. We have already done here. Reporting verb. Object. Object is me here in the sentence and reporting speech. So this first part we have already done here, right? Now let's come to the second part. Check the tense of the reporting verb. If it is in the past tense, that is said, then the tense of the reporting speech will change. If my reporting verb is in past tense, if it is in past tense, then my reporting speech tense will change. If it is in present tense or if it is in future tense, then reporting speech will not change. The tense of the reporting speech will not change. If it is says or will say, then the tense of the reporting speech will not change. Third rule is, third basic step is, if I have an object and it is said to, right, then this said to will change into told. Clear? And this comma will be changed to conjunction that. Again, it's an optional. If you want to change into that, you can. Otherwise, you can skip also. But it is always recommended to use that. Then we need to check the tense of the reporting speech. Clear? These are the 5 basic steps. Just go through it and understand. With example, you will get it more. Now, Rahul said to me, I am going to my class. We have identified the reporter, we have identified the reporting verb, we have identified the object also, and we have also identified the tense of the reporting speech. Clear? So what is the tense of the reporting speech? Yes, it's present continuous tense. Right. So if it is said, and we have an object here, me. So this whole set to will change into told. Rahul told me. This set to will change into told. Rahul told me. This comma will be removed. That. Now who is Rahul here? Who is I here? I is a Rahul. So it will change into he. Present continuous tense will change into past continuous. He was going to his class. Understood? Okay. Now let's see another example. Rahul says to me. Now here I have a reporting verb which is written in simple present tense. Says. Rahul says to me, I'm going to my class. So what is the rule? There will be no change in the reporting speech, tense of the reporting speech. If it is written in present continuous tense, it will remain in present continuous tense only. Although I have an object here, right? So this says to will change into tells. Here it was said, so it was changed into told. Here it is in present tense, so it will change into present tense only. Says will change into tells. Rahul tells me that he. Now who is I here? Again, I is Rahul, so it will change into he. This was written in present continuous. It will remain in present continuous. He is going to his class. Understood? Now let's see another example where reporting verb is written in future tense. Rahul will say, I am going to my class. Rahul will say that he is going to his class. Now here I have not changed into will tell. Why? Because I do not have an object here. Clear? So if you have reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense, then the tense of the reporting speech will not change. It will remain same. Clear? Again, I have already given an example of if there is no object, Jane said, I am hungry. Then Jane said that she was hungry. Then this said will not change into told. I hope till here it is clear. We have done the first step. We have also done the second step. We have also done the third step. Said to will change into told. We have also done the fourth step, that is comma will change into that. And we have also done the fifth step, that is check the tense of the reporting speech here in this part. Clear? Now let's move on. Then if my reporting verb is in the past tense, that is if it is in said, then the reporting speech tense will change. Clear? Or you can call it back shifting. Right? Now back shifting is going one step back. Present tense, if your reporting speech is written in present tense, then it will change into simple past tense. Jane said, I am hungry. Right? So it is said, and what it is, I am hungry. Clear? I am hungry. This is written in simple present tense. So it will change into Jane said, comma will be removed, that she was hungry. Present tense will change into simple past tense. If my reporting speech is written in present continuous tense, Jack said, I'm going to the store. It will change into past continuous. Jack said that he was going to the store. Clear? Then next, if my reporting speech is written in present perfect tense, then Sam said to me, example, Sam said to me. Now here we have an object. So this said to will change into told. What is the speech? I have done my project. So Sam told me that he had done his project. So present perfect will change into past perfect. If it is written in present perfect continuous tense, Tom said, I have been working on this project since yesterday. It will change into past perfect continuous. Tom said, comma will be removed, that. Who is I here? Tom. He. Have been working will change into had been working on this will change into that project. Yesterday will change into the previous day. I hope till here it is clear. Let's move on. If my reporting speech is written in past tense, Jia said Ria gave me a gift. Jia said Ria gave me a gift. This is written in simple past tense, so it will change into past perfect tense. Jia said that Ria had given her a gift. Now here who is me? Me is Jia. So it will change into her. Jia said that Ria had given her a gift. Clear? Now, if it is written in past continuous tense, then it will change into past perfect continuous tense. He said, I was working all night. Clear? So he said that he had been working all night. If my reporting speech is written in past perfect, then there will be no change in my reporting speech, although we will change the pronouns, right? He said, I had tried everything for my leg pain. He said that he had tried everything for his leg pain. So who is I here? I is he. Past perfect continuous tense, also there will be no change. If my reporting speech is written in past perfect, there will be no change. He said, I had been working all night. It will remain same. He said that he had been working all night. So you see that there's no change in the tense of the reporting speech, but we have changed the pronouns. Now, if we have some modal verbs in our reporting speech, then they will change according to this. Will, shall, can, may will change into would, should, could, and might. Let's see an example here. Jia said, I'll come to class. Jia said that, who is I? Jia. She will change into would come to class. I hope till it is clear. Now there is an exception also to this rule. Now which rule? If my reporting verb is past tense. If my reporting verb is past tense or said, then there is a rule, there's an exception to this rule. What is that? If my reporting speech is a fact, truth, or universal law, then we are not supposed to change the tense of the reporting speech. It will remain same. Example, our teacher said water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Although it is said, right, it is said, what we have done till now, what we have learned, that if it is said, then the tense of the reporting speech will change. But here it will not change. Why it will not change? Because this is a fact, this is a law, this is the truth, this is the universal law. Our teacher said that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So here the tense remains same. It will not change. I hope till it is clear. Now let's move on. Now, this is the change of a person, place, and time while changing direct speech to indirect speech. You can click a photograph or you can take a screenshot. Pronouns I will change into he, she, my will change into his, her, this and that will change into that and those. If it's a place, here will change into there. Now, then, today, that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the previous day, the day before. Now, remember, children, if it is yesterday, sometimes what you people do, you write only the previous day. You miss the article. So, please do not miss this. If you are missing the, then your sentence is wrong. So, please keep in mind using this article. Tomorrow will change into the next day or the following day. This week will change into that week, next month, next year will change into the following week, the following month, the following year. Last week, last month, last year will change into the previous week, previous month, and previous year. Clear? Now, there's one exercise. Try to these 6 sentences. If you are able to do, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Or if you want me to check your answer, then please write your answer in the comment section. I'll check and I'll get back to you. I hope this video helped you. If it helped you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Happy learning.